Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sarah. I have two kids. Ariana is 9 and going into 4th grade, and Ryan is 6 and he is going into 1st. I know everyone is having such a difficult time right now deciding whether to send the kids back to school. It's very uncertain times right now, and I just would like to say before I get into the whole video that whatever you decide for your family is okay. Don't let anyone bully you into thinking that your decision is wrong or right because of X, Y, and Z that they think is right for their family. Just make your decisions on how you feel and how comfortable you are with going that route. Now, things can change from day to night during this pandemic. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. Whatever way you choose to go, just make sure that you don't bring more stress onto your kids. Try to make it as seamless as possible. So anyway, we decided to send our kids back to school full time. My kids had such a bad experience with distance learning. My kids were absolutely miserable with the distance learning. They did not like it at all. I feel like instead of going forward and learning more, I feel like they degraded backwards. With everything, it was not a pleasant situation for us. And my kids don't want to do distance learning anymore if it's a choice. So we were given the choice. My husband and I talked about it. We talked to the kids, and we feel comfortable enough that our county, our district is doing enough to make the kids going back to school as seamless as possible, as safe as possible. I don't think anyone can guarantee our future from here on out, at least not for right now. So we decided as a family that this is the route we're taking. Now, things can very well change from today to tomorrow, and the district can say we're going full online learning, and that's completely okay, because if we do need to do distance learning at home, so this stuff will not go to waste if we do happen to have to go full homeschool. Don't forget, this week we are having a full week of back to school prep and collabs. So if you are not sending your kids to school like I am, there are so many of my friends that are doing homeschool, and they're sharing what they're buying for their homeschool experiences. They're showing routines and homeschool rooms. So make sure you follow us on Instagram. I'm going to leave our handles here and also down in the description box below. And we will have a video every day this week with different topics to help you guys out. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so like I was saying before, so these are the supplies that my kids are going to need for brick and mortar style school. We got the email from the school with the supply list that each of them needed. So again, I have a 1st grader and a 4th grader. So let's start with my 1st grader. This is what was on his back to school list. 4 boxes of 24 count crayons. We have the glue sticks that go on purple and dry clear. It asked for 6, I believe. This is a pack of 12. I have a pencil pouch that is silicone material, and this is the Up and Up brand. I thought this would be good for like the pencils and the erasers, things that he's gonna grab for the most. And then I also got him one of these plastic ones. We actually have a few laying around the house, but they're all beat up from other years. But for this one, I figured he would put in here his colored crayons and colored pencils, anything of that nature. We have 2 spiral, 1 subject notebooks, a blunt tip scissor. We have number 2 pencils. They asked for 4 dozens, and these come 24 each. So we have that. I bought him a little pencil sharpener to keep in his pencil pouch just in case. Now this is new to me. When Ariana was in 1st grade, this was actually never asked for. Again, this is a brand new district that we're not used to. We've never been in Florida before, but they asked for it's a primary journal. It's for like creative storytelling, and I thought this was actually so neat. It's lined and it has a space up top for drawing. I thought this was super cool. I think I'm actually gonna go back and get him one of these so we can do at home. He really likes to tell stories, and I feel like this would be really good for him to get on his creative side. I got the Expo dry eraser markers. The teachers asked for 4 for Ryan, and then Ariana's list had 2 on hers, so this has more than enough. I'm gonna split them up between the 2 kids. We were asked for 5 portfolio pocket folders without prongs. That was specific on the list. They gave a few color options, but I like the gray. I love gray. By the way, the kids did not go with me for the shopping haul. They specifically told me colors they wanted to stick with, and that's what I did. Ryan likes blue, so we stuck with blue, and you guys will see Ariana's in a little bit. They asked for 3 composition notebooks. Ryan loves these. They asked for black and white in specific, and it's funny, his iPad cover is actually, it looks like this composition notebook, and he really likes it. So 3 of the black and white composition notebooks. We were asked for 2 white binders with the view pockets in the front, and I got him this. It's a 12-inch ruler that folds. I thought it was really neat so that he would be able to keep it in his pencil case and it wouldn't take up so much room. I got Ariana one of those as well, you guys will see. And then on his list, they separated the boys and girls asking for supplies for the classroom. And the boys, they asked for 20 bags of the gallon storage. And I just picked this one up. It's the Up and Up brand. And I thought that was a really cool idea. That way it splits up and they can get all the supplies they need to help the teachers out. Now, that's it for Ryan. Moving on to Ariana. So her list included the same 2 binders, which I chose purple. She wanted a purple theme this year. I chose the purple ones. They are the 1-inch standard binders, the ring binders. For Ariana's, she needed 5 composition notebooks. She did not need the marble, so we picked out these purple ones for her. She also needed 2 of the spiral notebooks, just the regular college ruled notebooks, and 5 of the pocket folders, also just the portfolio ones with no prongs. And I did 3 purple, 2 white. I got the same ruler for her that opens up this way. I thought this was such a cute little thing. I thought this was super neat, and her list did ask for a 12-inch ruler, so the fact that this one is foldable and she could just throw it into her pencil pouch is really good. She had on her list the pencil top erasers, also 4 dozens of sharpened number 2 pencils, scissors. Now hers specifically said pointed scissors, 1 pack of index cards, 1 pack of wide ruled loose papers, 5 dividers. Now these are so cute. They have little writings on them, little sayings, and I thought they were so cute. 1 box of crayons for her, 1 box of colored pencils. Ariana does not like crayons, so she's probably not going to use those very often. They also asked for 2 yellow highlighters. This is actually a 4-pack that come yellow, orange, 2 yellow, 1 orange, 1 pink. I am probably going to keep the pink and the orange one and just have her go to school with the 2 yellow ones. And last, she has 2 pink. She has 4 pink erasers. She also has 4 pink erasers. And last but not least, she has a compass and a protractor set for her math class. Now, these are things that were on the list. So her classroom did not ask for any items for the classroom, not even hand sanitizer. However, I did purchase hand sanitizer for both of them. I don't have those with me right now, but I was able to purchase hand sanitizer for both of them, and also Clorox cleaning wipes, tissues. I do not have those with me right now, but I'm dividing it into the classrooms. Every year I like to buy little things like that to help out the teachers. Things that are not included in this haul are Clorox wipes, hand sanitizer, tissues. Those are things that I try to send into the school every year anyway. This year in specific, we're going to need a lot more of those, but the school will be providing them. Now, these are the most important supplies that I picked up today, and they are the face masks, okay? The face masks. Now, we've been using these face masks for a few months now. As soon as I was able to pick them up in my local Target, I picked them up. These are the kids reusable face masks, and they are $4 for 2 at Target. And we've been using these with the kids. We've been trying to practice with them wearing masks for longer periods. We've been practicing with them wearing masks for longer periods of time, and they've been doing well with these. They are comfortable enough that they can wear them for longer periods of time rather than the disposable ones. They say the disposable ones itch, and after a while they're just not comfortable with them. Now, the school will be providing masks if they need them. They will be providing neck gaiters for all of the students. They will be having the kids wear a lanyard attached to the mask so that in case the mask comes off or needs to be off, it won't fall on the floor, doesn't get contaminated that way, and it's easier for the kids, and it will be harder for the kids to then lose these masks if need be. They will also be providing desk shields for each individual desk. The kids, as far as information that the district has passed along to us, the face masks will be only mandatory on the bus and inside the hallways going into the school and out of the school, just because that way it's really almost impossible to keep social distancing from the kids. However, in the classrooms, because they will have the desk shields, it will not be mandatory. Only if the parents talk to their kids and say, listen, I want you to wear the mask all day, other than, you know, when eating lunch or snack. And it's really controversial. I guess this is a subject that you have to talk with your kids about and decide as a family what's best. My kids, I'm going to ask that they wear the mask all day and only take it out when they need to, just because I feel safer that way. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see any specific videos, comment down below and I will do my best to make them happen for you guys. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. That way you will be the first to know when I post a new video. and share this video with your friends that have chosen to send their kids back to school. That way it'll help them, give them a little more motivation and inspiration on school supplies for their kiddos. Don't forget to follow me on all social media. It's at Life with Jacera on everything. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.